So today is the 12th and final Akibento unboxing review, which the 12th and final month is December, and the theme of this month is festive. Like every festive holiday, we get to celebrate like a favorite holiday or a festive festival or Christmas and New Year's. And the anime series that match the theme are Pokemon, No Game, No Life, and Hatsumi Miko. So here is the unboxing review, and here we go. Whoa! Alright, first up we have the Hatsumi Miko comic, which is the comic of every sketch there, as you can see. And here is the art book here. Next we have is the shirts, which we have the festive shirt here. I actually love this blue and it's really cool. See? You can tell how festive this is. And also we have an Akibento exclusive festive ornament right here. And let's see what it looks like. Uh, oh, look at this. Impressive. See? I actually enjoy it. Let's see what else they actually have. Oh, this is interesting. Let's actually look. Here. Now, an Akibento exclusive treasure box? Huh. Okay, interesting. And what else do we actually have? Ah, here we go. A pair of gloves. You might actually need gloves because this actually is cold. What else? What else? What else? Here are. Here is a Pikachu pop figure right here, number 553. Here's the back, top. Oh, sorry, top, left, and right. And also we have a No Life No Game patch. We also have a festive button here, and also the festive card here. And then let's look inside. Here's the information of the things that you actually get. Also the selfie contest. And that is it. Now I really love the festive theme, and it is really incredible having that theme where all the festive theme anime series are there. And I really enjoy all the Agivento month box that they actually have, which I have collected every month boxes they actually brought out, like through January to this month. For example, Resolve, Emerge, Impact, Chance, Fears, Transported, Bonds, Sprint, Chill, Identity, Silly, and now recently Festive. So next month or next year, if you actually want to call it, it'll be January, which we get ready to get over to 2020, and the theme of January is ignite. Like if you want to start the year by igniting the fire or bringing the heat. And the anime series that match the theme are Fire Force, Soul Eater, and Fairy Tail. So I cannot wait for next year on January. So I cannot wait for it. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment on what you think about the final Akibento month box unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr, and like my Facebook page. Until then, this anime guy joining you saying sign out. Laters.